Is this the ultimate gaming monitor? You're about to find out. What's up, everyone? Get ready for an in-depth look at this incredible piece of tech we've been testing. Today, we're diving headfirst into the ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDM, a 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor that quite simply redefines what's possible on your desk. If you've been dreaming of a display that delivers unparalleled visuals and blistering speed, prepare to have your expectations shattered. Let's talk about the gaming experience first, because this is where the PG32UCDM truly shines. Imagine this, a massive 32-inch screen, showcasing every detail in glorious 4K resolution. But it's not just any 4K, it's QD-OLED 4K. This means perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and colors that pop with a vibrancy you have to see to believe. Couple that with an insane 240 Hz refresh rate and a mind-bending 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time. What does this translate to for you? It means buttery smooth gameplay, where every flick of your mouse, every enemy movement, is rendered with absolute precision and zero ghosting. In competitive titles, this can literally be the difference between victory and defeat. For immersive single-player adventures, it pulls you deeper into the world than ever before, making every explosion, every sunset, a breathtaking spectacle. This isn't just a monitor, it's a window into another reality. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, OLED and burn-in. ASUS heard you, and they've gone above and beyond to tackle this head-on. The PG32UCDM features a highly efficient custom heatsink, an advanced airflow design, and even a graphene film. Yes, graphene. To dissipate heat incredibly effectively. This isn't just marketing fluff. These are real engineering solutions designed to significantly reduce the risk of burn-in and ensure the longevity of your investment. It's about giving you peace of mind, allowing you to fully enjoy those stunning OLED visuals for years to come without constantly worrying. This level of innovation under the hood means you can game for hours, create content, or simply enjoy your favorite movies knowing your monitor is built to last. But what about the visuals beyond just speed and resolution? This monitor is a color powerhouse. With VESA DisplayHDR 400 True Black compliance, you're getting HDR performance that blows most LCDs out of the water. True Black means individual pixels can turn completely off, delivering an astonishing dynamic range. Add to that a staggering 99% DCI, P3 color gamut, true 10-bit color depth, and a delta E less than 2 color difference. And you have a display that's not just great for gaming, but also fantastic for professional content creation. Your photos and videos will look exactly as intended, with incredible accuracy and vibrant, lifelike colors. Whether you're editing a cinematic masterpiece or just browsing your favorite streaming service, the visual fidelity here is unparalleled. And for those who need consistent brightness across the screen, the optional uniform brightness setting is a godsend. The ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDM isn't just a gaming monitor, it's a statement. It's for those who demand the absolute best in visual performance, speed, and cutting-edge technology. It's an investment in an experience that will elevate every moment you spend in front of your PC. From the groundbreaking QD-OLED panel to the innovative burn-in prevention and the stunning color accuracy, this monitor delivers on every promise. If you're ready to step into the future of display technology and truly transform your gaming and computing experience, this is the one. Don't just upgrade your setup, revolutionize it. You can find the link to check out the ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDM in the description below. Go ahead, treat your